What's up, guys? I'm here with my new Fender guitar. You already know what guitar it is, judging by the title of this video. All right, so let me go ahead and unbox it. Comes with some blast. Shout out to Sweetwater. This is where I get all my gear from. Appreciate you guys. They always come with the candy. Now the real thing. I like the packaging, man. Not playing about it getting damaged. Alright. I am so excited about this damn guitar. I overnighted it and it took 3 days to come. I'm learning how to play the guitar. This is technically my first guitar. I know I have this one, but I want a Stratocaster, so that's gonna be the one I'm gonna be playing. So here it comes. I'll try to take it out. Try to be gentle as possible. Oh, man, I've been waiting for this thing forever. I'm just trying to save this wrapping so I can use it for the other guitar. Three long, painful days, guys. I did get the maple neck fretboard because I have really sweaty hands. I realized once I got this one, this has like a shiny coat, and my hands just are not good for that. Awesome, man. I've been waiting for this thing for so long. And it comes with the 55-point inspection card by Sweetwater. Just showing that they inspected it. And man, this thing just straight out the box is just gorgeous, man. It's not super heavy. It's comfortable over the chest. And let's get some sound. We'll see if it's in tune. Not too bad. Oh, it sounds good. Let me put the tremolo bar in. You should just be able to screw that on. And it opens. I'm super excited about this, man. And it comes with free lessons. I already signed up for the lessons, though. That's a warranty and a sticker. And you just screw this in right there until you feel. Let me unplug this real quick. I'm gonna make sure I put it in the right way. I don't know how you know it's done or not. So this is the 5-way pickup switch. Let's try the next one. It sounds so good. Let me see. Well, let's see the middle pickup. And let's see the neck pickup, half between the two. Hear how that sounds. And the final neck pickup by itself. Sounds good, man. It sounds really good. I'm super excited. I can't wait to play it and learn. Let's go back to the bridge pickup. That sounds good. It sounds really good, man. All in all, I like it. The finish is nice. I'm super hyped. I'm still a beginner, so bear with me. But I'm super excited, man. I can't wait to learn the guitar. So tune in. This is my journey, my next journey, learning how to play the guitar. Hopefully a year from now, I'm playing classic songs and making big records. You also like, comment, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and follow my journey with the guitar. I'm a beginner. Stay tuned. Peace.
Tell me I should cut them off, and so I did. If there's ever a place I needed you, then it was hit. Just because I like her, don't mean I can wife her. I need me a lifer, someone who can survive here. Yeah, you know I need you when I meet you, can you stay? I don't want these bitches, they don't see me anyway.